Every time they say hello and thank you, they would do the Y. This is how you do the Y. Sawadika. Keep your elbows down and your hands like this, and you bow your head. At first, I thought that Thailand's beauty was limited to tourist destinations. But I found that the Thai Y was yet another thing of beauty, because it isn't a greeting, but also provides context and meaning about grace, warmth, and sincerity, whether it's an apology or saying thank you.
Oh, no.
Dad, you're supposed to say krap. Kapkun ka is for women. You say kapkun krap.
Kapkun krab. Kapkun krab.
I feel that the Y makes everyone look beautiful on the inside.